In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Figma, a powerful tool for collaborative interface design. Whether you're working on a new project or simply updating an existing one, mastering text adjustments is crucial for creating visually appealing designs. So let's get started. Begin by navigating to Figma's website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, signing up is straightforward, just follow their prompts to set up your access. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. This is your hub for all things design, where you'll find recent files and any team projects you're a part of. Now select the file you'd like to work on. This could be an existing project or a new canvas. Clicking on a file will open the design space where you can see all your current elements and layers. Once inside your selected file, look for the text tool in the toolbar. It's represented by a simple T icon. Click on it to start adding text to your design canvas. You can either create a new text box or edit an existing one by selecting the text layer. After you've added or selected your text, the next step is to adjust the font size. This can be found in Figma's right-hand properties panel under the typography section. Here you'll see various options for customizing your text, including font family, weight, and of course size. To change the font size, click into the size field within the typography section. You can either type in a new size or use the increment arrows to adjust the size up or down, whichever best fits your design needs. You'll notice how the text updates in real time, allowing you to see immediately how your changes affect the overall look and feel. Remember, if you're working with branded designs or have certain guidelines to follow, you might want to ensure consistency in your typography choices by referring to style guides or using Figma's component functionalities. This is a handy tip for keeping your design's visual language consistent across different elements and pages. Once you're satisfied with the changes, take a moment to look over your design to make sure everything aligns with your vision. The beauty of Figma lies in its flexibility, so feel free to experiment with different sizes and styles until you find the perfect fit for your project. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the font size in Figma, enhancing your project's clarity and style. Keep practicing, as becoming proficient with text tools is an essential skill in any designer's toolkit. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials to help you elevate your design game.